Start by making a line with 9 dots. The distance between each dot should be equal. Then add a dot in the space between each pair of dots, like this. There should be 8 dots in total. Continue this pattern until you only have 5 points. Repeat this pattern on the opposite side. You should get a hexagon shape when you're finished. To begin, locate the center point. Use the next point out from the center to make a heart shape, like this. This will form the petal of the flower. Make 6 petals like this. Using the center as a starting point, add a curved line inside each petal. Now, we're going to use the first line we made earlier as a point of reference. Make a curve starting between the flower petals and ending on the second point of the second line. Now, make a curved spiral reaching the first point of the second line, like this. On the opposite side, make 2 curved lines and another line extending outward like this. These lines make up the leaf. Repeat these steps on the other sides. Remember to maintain the order of the lines. You can add a decorative spiral in between each leaf, like this. And now your flower is finished.